So I woke up this morning and I was like, we need to redo the front porch, patio, pavers, stat. My husband's like so over me. If it ain't designer, this from Amazon. Yeah, let it do its thing, baby. It's called Boldify. Okay, I have a few vintage Chanel earrings and like 3 bags left. That's pretty much all the Chanel I have left. I'll have a bum bag back there, another bum bag downstairs, Chanel ready to wear, 4 Chanel SLGs, and that's pretty much all the luxury I have left. And this is what some of the money went towards. So I'm naming my house Prairie Vista Villa. So I got that idea from Linda Davis Smith. I thought it was such a good idea. Like, take what's special about your home, what your home reminds you of, and like put it on a plaque. And so my house, it's on like, I think it's a 1/4 acre, which isn't very big. 1/4 acre, and we look over like 10 acres of just like prairie. Someone's old farm. It's actually for sale. I think it's like 10 acres for $1 million, which isn't bad, but so my 2 decks overlook it, so that's how I came up with Prairie Vista Villa. And my house has a quasi Spanish little feel to it, so I thought it was perfect. But anyhow, I want to create some slip covers because the new patio set that I got in the last video, remember the last video we did a total like refresh of the outdoor spaces? Well, it's cute, but I can't have all white. Like, what if somebody gets their period on it? What if my kids want white chocolate ice cream on it? What if dust from the prairie gets on it? A lot of things can happen to white furniture. It looks good in pictures in the beginning, but basically I cannot have anything that you sit on that's white. You know what I'm saying? I did buy one boucle for my downstairs sunken living room. The dog always sits on it. I barely even ever sit on it, and it has like a off color to it from constant, people sitting on it. So I wouldn't recommend boucle if you have young kids. But yeah, let me show you what I got from. I picked up these 2 little mini dishes. This is perfect for making like, if you want to make like some little cakes or different cornbreads, you can put them in here. I thought these were cute. Are they Pyrex? No. Not Pyrex, but they look like they're good quality. And so I got 2 basic sheets. I want to go sew 2 covers, but I think the first thing I need to do is we need to make a template. So let's do that together. By the way, I'm wearing these pants, super cute. I actually hemmed these pants. And what I did for the hem, I cut the bottoms off, removed like this much, and sewed the bottoms back on so you still get that like the jean look at the bottom. It's a super cute look. You can easily do it. I have a tutorial. I think I have one on one of my socials, which I will hopefully won't forget to link. But first, let's make our template. It is so hot in my garage. I don't think I can go in there and sew. So I'm basically gonna make no sew slip covers. For this one, I just used a pillowcase, cut 2 slits, and so we can tie it. It's stained up because I did like this chemical peel. It has like a yellowish color, and it pretty much stained. You sleep with it for 8 hours, it's by muesli, and it pretty much stained the pillowcases. So I have this loop, which I'm going to feed in the middle right here. And now I have a way to just tie it off. Okay, I just came back from the worst dentist experience. She prepped my teeth for a bridge. And here, I'm missing a tooth. And she drilled, and it was like the nerve was up there. And she like wouldn't stop, and I'm like, I think I need a root canal. But she went forward with it. It was like horrific. I haven't had pain like that in the dentist ever, my whole life, you know? And then she was trying to tell the medical assistant that I was writhing in pain because I was numb. How the fuck I'm gonna be writhing in pain because I'm numb? Like, that doesn't even make sense. You know? I have to go out to eat dinner with my husband. I've been getting my lips done since I was 18 years old. So, like, migrated. Nothing I can do about it. And if I tried to, powder. I only put powder. If I tried to remove it, I think it would be like flaccid skin, you know? So I just leave it, but it creates like a shadow in addition to the melasma. That's on my upper lip. But that's what I'm wearing. Basically. Okay, tell me what smell you like best. Okay, this one? Kind of weird, huh? Okay. This one? Watch. Smell that.
Oh, I like that one. Yeah.
Or this one, which is super intense.
That was okay, but I like number 2. I like this one.
Okay.
What is this one? I like this one. I like this one.
Okay, it's
it smells fresh.
Christian. What's it say?
Christian Dior.
No, what's it say?
Original collection. CHYPRE.
Christian.
Floral.
Christian Pierre.
Oh, Clive Christian. This
Clive
says Clive
Christian.
Christian, but this says something else.
Yeah, Clive Christian. Okay, I want to show you guys the cutest vest I got from Amazon. And I also want to show you, like, if it ain't designer, it's from Amazon. Okay, so I was born with alopecia. I have like hair like a toddler. My eyebrows fall out. The hair everywhere falls out. My scalp, especially my scalp, that's the most humiliating. But this from TikTok, look, it's so cute. Now, I've tried a lot of things, but this one, you go like that. Then the bottom is like that. You rub it. And you put it in your sparse areas. Like, look. Well, I have gray and then I have hair loss. So the combination of that is not cute, right? So watch. Look at that. See right there? Watch. Now you have to make sure you get the right color. But it's just like a quick little fix. If you're on the go, you don't have time to like put in any extensions. So this area is particularly bothersome, so I go like that. And look. I mean, it's not perfect. I could probably fix it with a comb a little bit, but it just gives you a little layer of like, there, look. See how much better that looks? Okay, so, highly recommend this. On TikTok. It's called Boldify. Kind of thinking I want to do like a whole landscape border, but I have like a little pathway, which would be cute. A lot of my neighbors, they have the landscape border. I'm trying to think, there's some options. $7, $9. These are cute because they're like spotlights and you can aim them up against like little architectural features. But I really have no idea what I'm doing. This one is a pack of 2. Spotlight. Set of 2. I'm thinking I want to get some uplights and then something along the border. So I picked up these from Walmart, super cheap. I'm just putting them all around the edges, and at night I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we have the LED lights, and let's see what it looks like later tonight. I went a little crazy at the plant store. I have to get all these in the ground. You know, digging holes is not easy, and what's even harder is getting rid of the dirt. Because what we did is I put the dirt in one of those like recycling bins, and they didn't even come pick it up. But anyhow, let's go get the basil for dinner. So I have some basil right here. I have some peppers right here. I'm waiting for these other peppers. Oh, I have a habanero. And then I have, what is this? I don't know what the heck I planted. Does anybody know what this is? I gotta Google Lens it. But I just put these stakes and it's curling nicely around these, just like this bamboo stick. So I put those like that. But let's get some basil. So I have some puchero legato. I got some farro beans, some broccoli, and I have some country style ribs that I sliced really thin and I marinated with fish sauce, garlic, salt, garlic, onions, white pepper, and some mirin. But I think for the pasta, we're gonna use a combination of cheese, basil, and milk. It's not gonna be like an Alfredo, but it's gonna be something similar.
Levi got hits. Jordan, you're so cute.
Okay, so I sold a lot of my items to buy this fixer-upper, which I'm about to show you. It's in really, really bad shape, but I'm gonna show you what I have left. Like, I have a few vintage Chanel pieces, and these are the only bags I have left. I have the white Chanel, the black Chanel, the navy. I have a bum bag. I have a white Chanel bum bag downstairs. Some Chanel SLGs, Chanel ready-to-wear, a little pouch, some other various pouches up here. Well, I also have my Hermes Kelly to go, which I'm never going to sell because it's probably my most valuable purse that I own. But yeah, I just want to show you, I really downsized all to buy this. Check it out. Okay, so when you first walk up, that porch needs to be taken out. This little addition, the water, the leaky roof has ruined that whole little addition. It's ruined parts of the inside. So when you walk in, this is the sitting room. I was surprised that there's new windows throughout, but some of the walls, some of the roof, definitely needs all new floor. A lot of these need to be replaced. Like, you can see how the ceiling is caving in. Some of these posts need to be reassured to make sure that they're stable. I'd probably get rid of those shelves in the back, but you can see the water damage kind of like ruined a lot of the features in this little structure. I think it's only about, I don't know, maybe 1,800 square feet. So you have this area. I don't know which room would even be the kitchen. This looks like a bedroom because there's a closet. And yeah, so I mean, it's pretty much a fixer-upper. We need a new window there. All these walls, some of them are still good, like that wall is still good. I think this was a kitchen, so we need all new kitchen. And that back room, I think that's a pantry. I'm not sure if there's a bathroom on the lower level. Okay, so this is a part where we go upstairs, and it's kind of exciting to me because you can actually see the bedrooms, the paint colors they chose, and this hole in the roof completely ruined the floor, some of this sheetrock. I think there was even a dead rodent we had found on the floor that my husband threw out the window. But anyways, I'm excited to pick some of the finishes, replace that nasty, disgusting, corroded bathroom, similar to what we did at the other property, where just changing the bright blue walls in the hallway of the duplex made such a difference. We picked Swiss Coffee. Now, mind you, in this area, a lot of the paint colors people choose, to me, are a little bit dated, but here's what the numbers look like. Okay, so when we head outside, you can see there's a lot of frontage. That's because there was a house that burned down in front. And so potentially someone could even build another house right in front. And look how cute those houses are across the street. Okay, so even though this looks like a decrepit old building, I'm super happy with the purchase. I think it was a wise move. And let me show you some progress. Okay, so she has a new roof. We have a new roof on the little addition. We have a new roof on the house. It's a cute little Cape Cod style 3-bedroom home, which I think anyone would love to purchase once it's all dolled up with the finishes. I'm so happy that it's watertight and it has this brand new roof. I know it's simple. It's like, oh, it's just a roof, big deal. But just having the top closed gives me so much hope about the possibilities, because back east they have brutal winters. And so I'm super excited. Actually, let me bring you downstairs. Okay, so major progress. That roof, okay, so the roof was 12,000 and that includes the gutters, but just knowing that it's watertight for the winter, it just, I'm so happy, because then we can take our time with the inside. There's not like this mad rush, because the other last year there was like some crazy, not ice storm, but something off the Great Lakes was making it like Great Lake freeze warning. I don't know what the heck. But it was like major cold spell. And so we just knew that the building was just getting worse and worse. But, you know, whoever buys this place, they can even build a grander house in the front, because there's all this frontage in the front. They can build whatever they want. So I think it was a smart move. Yeah, I miss my things. I miss my bags. I miss having more options. But it's more of a feather in your cap when you have real estate. That's how I see it. So stay tuned for the next video, because we will be doing more of a deep dive into the fixer-upper. Well, maybe not the next video, but one of these videos coming up, and we will tackle the siding. And so we got some choices to make. Siding comes in all different varieties. Aluminum, plastic, I don't know, wood, who knows, but definitely have to look around and see what we're going to install. So I'm going to take this edger and put it along this side. Okay, so this is what the little area looks like that we did. Looking at it now, I wish I would have picked the wood fence edging, but they didn't have it. I just went to Walmart this time. Plus I have the plastic over there. And can you guys believe the bird dropped its egg again? I don't know if it's doing it on purpose. I need to Google Lens what kind of bird it is. I believe it's a dove. But anyhow, I have this beautiful, this is called Black Vineyard, like the leaves turn black. Winecraft Black. It'll look pretty. Got the bougainvillea. Bougainvillea thrives out here. I think bougainvillea thrives anywhere. I added this. Gets really prickly, but I think I need to add some more water in here. But it's looking good, guys. Okay, so these are the lights. I just put them in the front. What do you think, guys? One is broken right there, but it just adds a little bit of ambiance to the front. And let me show you the back. So I grabbed these off Amazon. Pretty with the sun setting. Yeah, so pretty happy with this little Amazon purchase. But looks nice. And I wanted to show you before I end the video this. Now this is nice, right? Little alfresco dining situation. But I had to go inside now. So I will see you guys later. Bye.